how to collaborate in PowerPoint online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your PowerPoint presentation with others and collaborate it on together? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you'll see share option on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then tap on share. Now, you can invite people, you can put in their email address, and you can just tap on can edit, and you can even put in a message and share it, and the PowerPoint will be shared with person on their mail, and whatever changes they make on the slide will also be visible to you, and vice versa. So you can just work on it together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.